Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and Southgate Township Libraries. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a toad house. Let's see what we'll need for this project. So why would you want to welcome a toad into your garden? Well, toads are carnivorous, which means that they will eat all those beetles and bugs that go in and munch on all your flowers. And some larger toads will even eat small rodents. So that's a really great thing. And when you're thinking of attracting a toad to your garden, just remember you don't want to use pesticide because those kill off the toad's natural food source. And you want to try to make sure that whatever plant food or if you use a spray on your flowers, that it's non-toxic since toads absorb through their skin. But other than that, you should be good to go. So you can make your toad house a number of ways. You can make it out of rocks, or I've made mine using a pot. This is a really good way to use up those cracked or damaged ceramic pots. So with mine, I went ahead and I dug a small hole, and then as you can see, I half buried my pot in the hole, and then I made sure that there was a nice dirt floor in here for the toad to settle on. Well, since toads mostly eat at night, they need a nice, shady, cool place during the day to rest. That's why I put my pot under this bush here so that it has some nice shade for the toad to go inside. Another thing that you'll need is some sort of water source. You can use a tray or the saucer from your pot and just put some water in there and place it near your toad house. And if you do that, you do want to make sure you clean it at least once a week to prevent bacteria from building up. And that's basically all that you need for a toad house.